In this video, I am going to show you how to fix the camera not working issue on the Ome TV app. This is a common problem that can usually be resolved in just a few quick steps. First, make sure your camera is not being used by another app. Close all other apps that might be accessing your camera, like WhatsApp, Zoom, or Instagram. Then restart your device. Next, go to your phone's settings and locate the app permissions for Ome TV. Make sure the camera permission is enabled. On Android, go to Settings, then click Apps, tap on Ome TV, then click Permissions, and on iPhone, go to Settings, click Ome TV, and ensure the camera toggle is turned on. If it's still not working, try clearing the app cache on Android or reinstalling the app on both Android and iOS. Also, make sure your device's software and the Ome TV app are fully updated. For external webcams on PC, check that drivers are up to date and selected in browser settings. After following these steps, your camera should start working again with the Ome TV app. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.